So hello guys, welcome back again iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram, WhatsApp and also Snapchat camera not working on iPhone and iPad. Lot of iPhone users to say iOS update after Facebook, Instagram and also Snapchat camera not working on iPhone and iPad. So guys, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. In this tutorial I will try to fix Snapchat, Instagram and also WhatsApp camera not working on iPhone and iPad. So guys, please, in this video I will show you some solution for that issue. So guys, please make sure follow and easy to fix your problems. So guys, first one solution is most important. The solution is allow camera access in privacy. So guys, how to do? So guys, first of all open the settings app. In settings you can see also scroll down and tap on the privacy. In privacy again scroll down and select the camera. In camera you can see also if you don't allow camera in your iPhone particular applications. So guys, please turn on in your iPhone and iPad and easy to fix your problems. Now another settings in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, now again come back in home screens. Now open the again settings. In settings scroll down and find out the particular applications. So guys, now I will select the Snapchat. In Snapchat you can see also camera icon. So guys, if you camera icon turn off, so guys please turn on in your iPhone and iPad and easy to fix your problems. Now second solution is check your content and privacy restriction settings in your iPhone and iPad. Now first of all open the settings. In settings scroll down and tap on the screen times. In screen time if you turn off, so guys please turn on. Turn on after you can see also content and privacy restriction options available. So guys, simply tap on that. If you turn off, so guys again tap on allow. Allow after again come back in photos. In photos particular photos allow changes in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, you can easily fix your problems in your iPhone and iPad. Now third one solution is restart your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please follow the step. Now first of all open the settings app in your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on the general. In general last option is shutdown option. So guys, simply tap on that. Now you can see also slide to power off. After 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn on your iPhone and iPad and easy to fix your problems. Now fourth one solution is most important in your iPhone and iPad. The fourth solution is reset all settings in your iPhone and iPad. Now first of all open the settings app. In settings app scroll down and tap on the general. In general you can see also second last option is reset options. In reset first option is reset all settings. Now tap on that. Now enter your correct password. Now again tap on the reset all settings and easy to fix your problems. Now fifth solution is update iOS versions in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and iPad. Connect after again come back in home screens. Now open the settings app in your iPhone and iPad again. In settings app scroll down and tap on the general. In general second option is software update. So guys, simply tap on that. If you any iOS versions available in your latest, so guys please download, install and also fix your problems. Now solution 6 is force restart your iPhone and iPad. So guys, if you using iPhone 7 Plus, so guys first of all volume down button and press the on off button in same times. When Apple logo appear in your screen, so guys release the both button and easy to fix your problems in your iPhone and iPad. Now solution 7 is most important. The solution 7 is update your applications in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and open the App Store. In App Store search the particular applications like Snapchat in search bar. Search after again tap on that. Now you can see also any update available in your applications. So guys, please make sure update your applications in your iPhone and iPad and easy to fix your problems. Now last one solution is most important. The solution is delete applications and again reinstall in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, select the particular applications. Now again now you can see also minus icon. So guys tap on that. Now you can see also delete apps. Now again reinstall in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM my Instagram. Thank you so much.